So this is my portfolio. I've been using the same one throughout the technology classes. So this is just the page that I built on for LTDE 5323. So the first thing that I'm going to show is the collaborative digital storytelling project that we did as a group. It was pretty neat. We only talked through the Google Meet doc, and it was actually pretty cool how much we actually got done without even meeting or conversating in person or through text. We literally only talked through the document, and it was pretty awesome. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the student-centered multimedia tool. This is something that I use in class with my kindergartners every day. This one was
Today I'm going to
the Splash Learn math, and it was really awesome because you actually can see the assessments and things of that nature for the kids, and what they need help with and what they're not understanding. And then this was my Principles of Design graphic organizer. All the elements are on there with pictures, and then the multimedia research summary that we had to do. It actually ended up being a long unit, about 9 pages. And then the student-centered unit of learning model. Well, that didn't work.
No,
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on, baby.
and we watch the what?
I know.
We watch
Well, I have to find it. So it is actually not pulling up, but you guys, I will post it and let you see it. I did on the sun ray, or the rays from the sun and how they're harmful. So this was my unit, my portfolio. So hopefully that you like it.